Are you looking to sell or rent out your property? Would you like to make sure you get the best price possible? The realtor market is tough these days, and it can be incredibly difficult to find honest realtors that have your best interest at heart. There are mistakes that almost everyone makes when choosing a realtor to trust their property with. The bad news is that these mistakes can be very costly. The good news is that these mistakes can be easily avoided if you know what to look for. We'd like to help. You're about to discover the 5 mistakes nearly everyone makes when hiring a realtor and how you can easily avoid them. Simply sign up to get started, and Mike Ayub will rush you a free no-obligation report to get you started.